Boys and girls, today I'm going to share with you a new reading strategy called I Can Flip the Sound. Flip the sound. It's kind of like flipping a pancake over to the other side because some letters have two sides or two sounds. Our vowels A, E, I, O, and U have two sounds. They have a long sound and a short sound. When you're reading a word, sometimes it's hard to know what sound the vowel is going to make. For example, A is a vowel and it has two sounds. One says its own name, acorn, and the other one says apple. So when you're reading a word, how do you know which sound to pick? Well, if you try one sound and that word does not look right, sound right, or make sense, then you might want to try the other sound. We're going to practice today. We're going to read a story called Recess Fun. Before we get started, let's look very closely and carefully at the pictures so that we can have an idea of what the story might be about. Who are the characters? Where is the setting? What is happening? What is something you notice? I see boys on a swing. I see children taking turns on the slide. I see a girl jumping rope by herself. Recess normally happens at school, so I'm guessing the setting is a playground at school. Let's get started. Recess Fun. Sam and Ben like to together. Okay, I see the letter I. I is a vowel and it has two sounds. So I'm going to try one sound. And if it works, looks right, sounds right, and makes sense, I'm probably right. Swang. Swang? No, that's not a real word. Swing. Swing sounds right. Sam and Ben like to swing together. My teacher said we can play for minutes. Oh, there's that I again. 30 minutes or 30 minutes. 30 looks right, sounds right, and makes sense. The children like to blank with their friends. Oh, there's that vowel sound again, that I. And an I makes two sounds. So if one sound doesn't make sense or look right, I'm going to flip that sound and try the other sound it makes. The children like to slid with their friends. Or the children like to slide with their friends. Which one sounds better? Slid with their friends or slide with their friends? Slide looks right, sounds right, and makes sense. The girl is wearing a shirt. Purple. Purple. Yep, that matches one of the pictures. The girl is wearing a purple shirt. Now it's your chance to practice with a partner. Today you're going to practice flipping a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, or U. Before you get started, don't read the words. Just read the title, At the Zoo, and talk about what you see in the pictures. That will help you get ready for words that might be tricky later. So pause the video. Talk about what animals do you see at the zoo? What do you think is happening? And what do you notice? When you're done talking, push play again. Okay. Now let's get ready to read and flip those vowel sounds. I'll help you with the first one. My blank went to the zoo. Okay, I see a vowel sound. A can say a, place, or A can say a, class. Which one looks right, sounds right, and makes sense? Tell your partner. You should have said class. My class went to the zoo. Read the next sentence with your partner. Okay, you had two choices with this word. You could have said lions or lions. Which one looks right, sounds right, and makes sense? I did not see the lions because they were sleeping. Read the next sentence with your partner and try to figure out this word. Flip the vowel sound if your word doesn't make sense. Did you figure it out? Does it say t-igers or t-igers? High five your partner if you think you got it. We saw tigers in a big cage. Okay, try the next one. Okay, you had two choices here. You could have said b-irds or b-erds. Did you get it right? Okay, let's try one more. Talk to your partner. Do all of your words look right, sound right, and make sense? The zookeeper was feeding the giraffes.